Now that you have applied for graduation, you probably want to gather the documents needed to apply for your post-graduation work permit. This short video will explain what documents you require from KPU for your PGWP and how to obtain them. Based on the Post-Graduation Work Permit Program, IRCC will issue post-graduation work permits to eligible international students. This program allows students who have graduated from a participating Canadian post-secondary institution to gain valuable Canadian work experience. A work permit under the Post-Graduation Work Permit Program may be issued for the length of the study, up to a maximum of 3 years. The length of the work permit depends on the length of your program. Work obtained through the PGWP program may help support your application to become a permanent resident of Canada. For complete information on how and when to apply as well as the eligibility criteria for this program, please visit IRCC website. From the official website of the Government of Canada, canada.ca. Click on Immigration and Citizenship. Next, click on Work. Then select Get a Work Permit. Click on Students. And then select Work in Canada after graduation. Lastly, click on Find out if you're eligible for a PGWP. Before you can apply for a PGWP, you need 2 documents from KPU. The first one is the Post-Graduation Work Permit Letter, which is also referred to as the Completion Letter. The PGWP letter is a personalized letter issued by KPU International Advising Team, which confirms the completion of your program requirements. It can only be issued once all the steps of the graduation process are completed. This includes the final approval by the Senate. The PGWP letter will be issued to your KPU email within 5 business days after you have been approved by the Senate to graduate. The completion letter will be accompanied by a document titled KPU Immigration Purpose Document, which includes important definitions that are meant to help the IRCC officer in making a decision regarding your PGWP application. Therefore, you are highly encouraged to include this document with your application. Remember to apply for graduation as per the deadlines posted by the Graduation Office. You must submit a graduation application in order to graduate and receive your PGWP letter. If you are unsure about how to apply for graduation, watch our video on How Do I Apply to Graduate found on our KPU International Advising webpage. The second document that you will need from KPU is your official transcript. The official transcript is a copy of the student's permanent academic record and is imprinted with the signature of the registrar. It includes all courses taken or transferred to KPU. Any completed credential will appear on your transcript only after your graduation has been conferred by the Senate. The transcript is issued by KPU Student Enrollment Services upon student's request and will be mailed to the student's Canadian address or sent to another party specified by the student. To request your official transcript, you can use the OSS system. First, open your OSS. Then click on Student menu. Next, select Records. Click on Request Official Transcript. You will then be directed to the online Request Official Transcript form. Now, you can enter your information and request for your official transcript. The first information you need to fill out is the transcript request address. If you want the transcript to be mailed to one of your Canadian addresses, select the address from the drop-down menu. The system will usually show the current address on your profile. However, if you wish for the transcript to be sent to another party, such as a specific department or a faculty at an institution, an agency, a business, or a third party, you can specify their name and information in the Issue to option. After you have entered the necessary information, click on Continue. Next, you will have to select the transcript type and enter the destination information for your transcript. For transcript type, select Official Transcript from the drop-down menu. For information on the destination of the transcript, usually, the address information is automatically filled in, unless you choose to issue the transcript to a third party not found on the system. If this is the case, please enter their address. Information such as phone number is also helpful to ensure your transcript will reach the correct destination. When you are done filling the information, please click on Continue. Next, you will select how many copies of the transcript you want to be issued. You can apply for up to 10 copies per request and you will be charged per copy. For the next field, the system will by default display the most recent term that you have in progress courses, so please don't update this field if you want to capture all your in progress courses. If you choose the option none of your in progress courses will be included in your official transcript. You may see older terms on the drop-down menu. These refer to terms with non-gradable courses, such as labs, which will not be displayed on your transcript. If you do not have any in-progress courses or non-gradable courses, you will not see this field on the online request form. For the print transcript field, choose one of the following options. If you choose as soon as possible, the system will capture your most current academic record. Your transcript request will be processed within 3 to 5 business days. If you choose Hold for Grades, your request will be processed after the grade submission deadline for the current academic term, once all grades have been submitted and academic standing has been assigned. If you are in your last semester, you can still choose the Hold for Grades option when ordering your transcript for your PGWP application. Here is an important notice. Transcripts held for the fall term grades may not be processed until January, after the holiday closure. For the Hold for Degree option, you can choose this option if you have applied to graduate. Hold for Degree requests will be processed once your graduation application has been approved by the University Senate. Next, you need to select the delivery method for your official transcript. If you choose Standard Delivery, your transcript will be sent to the destination that you have entered on the form. If students want to pick up their transcript at Surrey campus, they must put their name into the Issue to field in the previous step. Transcripts issued to a third party will be sent directly from KPU to these destinations. Transcripts will be available within 3 to 5 business days for pickup and will only be released upon presentation of a government-issued photo identification by the individual picking up the transcript. To authorize another person to pick up your transcript, you must submit a third-party authorization form to studentinfo@kpu.ca from your KPU student email account. Transcripts that are not picked up within a month from the request date will be destroyed. When you have made your selection, click on Continue. You will then be directed to the Transcript Request Summary page. Here you will have a chance to review what you have entered. Please review your request carefully before proceeding to the payment page and use the back button to make corrections, if any. After reviewing, click Continue to proceed to the payment page. To order the transcripts, you must first pay a nominal fee. Your request will not be processed until the payment is cleared. The charge for transcripts is $10 per copy. Please note that there is a service fee of 2.25% charged at the time of payment. Payment is made by credit card. You can use MasterCard or Visa. If you click back on the payment checkout page, your transcript request will be canceled. Once your payment is accepted, the system will direct you to the acknowledgement page and you will also receive a confirmation email. In order to receive your official transcript and PGWP letter, it is important that you make sure there are no holds on your account. The documents will only be released to you once all your student obligations relating to fees, library books, rentals, or borrowed equipment are met. You may log into your online self-service portal as well as My Library account to check whether there are any holds on your account. If you have more questions regarding how to order your official transcript, visit kpu.ca/records/transcripts for more information. You can always join our drop-in sessions or book an appointment to meet with our international education advisors. For more information, visit KPU International Advising webpage, kpu.ca/international/advising, or contact KPU International directly by email at internationalstudents@kpu.ca. On behalf of KPU International, we wish you the best of luck with your PGWP application.